everyone. Chloe Lewis here. Just making sure the stream is working. Pulling that up on my phone. My wonderful second stream for now. Audio seems to be working great as well. So hello everyone. Welcome to Coffee with Chloe in the morning. Testnet node is actually coming in out of sync. I have to plug it into the router downstairs. Get it to be a little better internet connection. Hopefully it'll be a little more stable. It is Tuesday, December 21st, 2021. And I'm going to have some fun on the Near blockchain. Currently looking at different NFTs on Paras. I think I put an offer in one recently, but I don't think I got it yet. I'll have to double check. But I got some cool ones recently. We'll move on to Pixel Pets. They're having their pre-sale soon for Crypto Heroes. We probably won't actually be involved in that pre-sale. We were involved in this pre-sale pretty heavily. That's how we got legendary pets, the ones that are in orange, and a lot of the ones that are in purple as well. We got from the pre-sale, which ended up working out, I guess, well, and in a fun sense. It made the game really fun. We're doing well in the game. We're high up on the rankings. But we don't really, definitely, I don't really feel like allocating more funds specifically for that, for the Marma J Foundation, to the next game that they come out with. It'll probably be really fun, and we'll definitely play it for sure. We're just not going to invest directly by investing near. 1 second, I don't know why I closed my phone. Anyways, our pets died. Oh no, we have 270 pixel tokens, which we got from last week's endeavors in the game. So we have the leaderboard. We are currently in second. I'll actually show this because it wasn't working last time. So it's pretty cool. We have pixel tokens, PXT. So this is Ref Finance, decentralized exchange on Near. We have 270 of them, and you can see there's actually a Marma J pair. Okay, so what we could do is we could actually 270 pixel tokens is worth 2.5 Marma J, which is pretty cool. So what we could do is we could actually play Pixel Pets, earn Marma J tokens, and then like send them back to the DAO. And I think in the new year maybe we'll do that. Usually we just add to the liquidity pool for the Marma J tokens, and so I don't think we actually have any Marma J currently. So let's just say we sold like 100. Let's sell 100 of them. There we go. So it's going to, more information, all this fun stuff. It's swapping straight from the wallet, which is super cool. Although we are going to have to deposit both tokens regardless. So there is that. You can't provide liquidity from your wallet. You have to actually deposit tokens into the Ref Finance smart contract to provide liquidity. So now we have one Marma J token, and we have 170, I think, pixel tokens. I think it should refresh to that. Maybe I'll just force refresh and see what happens. Doesn't seem like it's showing up. Let's see here. In the actual wallet. It's actually not showing up here either. I'm not sure what. Oh, I think maybe it sent. Sorry, I'm just checking on the transaction to see what happened. Error, exceeded the prepaid gas. Oh, you can't swap the tokens. That was the issue I was having. Okay. Let's see. Near wallet, ref account. Maybe it'll work if I deposit. This is not the order of things I want. Let's do this later then. Or, you know, we're already here. Too late. Already here. We're just going to try and fix this. So we're going to deposit 200 pixel tokens. Let's see if this works. Should work. Okay. Should have no issues with that. Jeez, this is but yeah, so this is like arguably a fun way, or supposed to be a fun way to support the Marma J Foundation, play a game, earn some tokens, use those tokens to add liquidity for the Marma J token or buy Marma J tokens, and then distribute those tokens to the community in some way, or use those tokens to support the community in some way. Let's see. Our liquidity. Sorry, I'm just going a bit slow at the moment. Marma J Pixel token. I don't have any Marma J yet. So we're going to sell 100. And this, oh wait, this might not be, okay, we're going to try this, but it might not work. Exceeded prepaid gas. Let's see if we get that error again. It says swap success. Okay, it worked this time. So depositing and swapping worked. Oops. We don't want to create a new pool. We want to check our pools out. And we want to add liquidity to this pool. So for all of our Marma J, it's only going to be 95 pixel tokens. And we'll add more next time. No big deal. But there we go. We added a bit. And maybe we'll buy some Marma J with the next little bit. That'll be kind of fun. Clear a little bit extra. So when we swap, we could say, hey, we have a little bit of extra. Let's buy some Marma J. So that's a little fun way. We earn about a few Marma J a week playing Pixel Pets. It's quite fun, quite enjoyable. I do enjoy the game quite a bit. Can't hatch any eggs. I have too many pets. Okay, so we are going to look at Sodaki real quick. $58 million locked, $2.1 token price in USD. Marma J price in USD is around $11. 2.5K daily volume, not bad. Not great, not terrible. Let's move on to the the Aurora ecosystem. Aurora chain built on the Near blockchain. Runs like a smart contract, pretty cool. And so most of the Marma J Foundation's funds are in Vaporwave currently. Auto compounding, it's an interesting platform. Seems to be working well. Do your own research. This is not financial advice, of course, all that good mumbo jumbo. And then we have there's supposed to be a new pool where it is Wanna X coming out today. And we might move our funds over to the Wanna X pool. But we have our, Luna. Oh snap. I did remember that was happening. Okay, ATUSDW near. That's a really good rate for, is that the same as the DAI rate? That's interesting. They're giving the same rate for DAI as they are for Luna. That's really cool. Anyways, I don't think Rose has any other stable coins. Like, I don't think nothing has Luna yet, but they have Frax. Oh, this is getting so the near system's getting so cool because okay, sorry, I'm getting like a little out of track here. So if you wanted to get ATUSD, I don't think Trisolaris has it, so you'd have to swap here. Okay, let's just start by harvesting. Actually, okay, I'm gonna harvest, but let's take our time actually going through the steps because I want to do it all in the flow. But I do want to, what's it called? Check out what's, I did hear something about Trisolaris was partnering with Luna or, yeah, UST. Okay. There's $174 in here. Okay, so there's people are getting ready for it, but it's not here yet. Okay, very cool. Let's see if the data comes up. Okay, so right now it's still saying 0 try per week. Very cool. So people are getting excited for that. Tries at 85 cents, doing very well. WannaSwap is actually doing poorer currently, $1.13, but I think it's quite reasonable. Frax, okay, and then Nearpad has, I don't think they have UST, but they have Frax. So they have Frax to Pad, and they have Frax to Near, giving 106, which is, I mean, but from what I see, the best thing I've seen so far, I mean, we'll see what Trisolaris comes out with Near UST. But I think Near UST could be, you know, a reasonable place to park some funds. For 1,000%, and it won't stay that way. I mean, 1,000% won't stay. But Near rewards, you know, at 1,000% for a stablecoin is reasonable. Okay, so let's close all these. Let's go through a simple flow first, and after we've gone through the simple flow, then we can do whatever. So like we can talk about the rest of the stuff. So we just earned some Wana tokens overnight. You know, I went to sleep, woke up, I got some Wana tokens. Very cool, very fun. So I'm gonna stake at least 10% of them. And so today I'm actually gonna stake 1.8. Okay, so we're staking around 10%. Now, eventually, hopefully one day this amount becomes a lot of value, whether Wana token goes up, whether I have so much of it staked. The idea is that we're just going to always continue to try and have more of a share in the Wana ecosystem over time. Seems like Wana is bouncing all over the place currently. It was 111, 107, 109 now. Oh, there's a Terra bridge that came out today. That's why. Oh. That's... Allbridge did this. Oh, so now you can go from Aurora to a bunch of these bridges. Oh, snap. That's crazy. So you could take ETH from Aurora to Binance. It'll give you AB ETH. That is wild. Oh, it's not supported yet. Okay. Okay, I'm having to, sorry. I don't use other ecosystems besides Near and Aurora currently. I'm sure this bridge to Terra will get more people using more. Okay, so that makes sense. Luna is the asset that's bridged to get more volume for the Luna token. That is so cool. We might have to use, like, I might use it just for this. This is so cool. I need to read through this or watch a guide or, okay, this is not what we're trying to do right now. What we're trying to do is let's keep track. We'll go back to this stuff later. It's super cool. So it's saying no tokens with a balance because we are going to, let's do a simple flow. Let's just do it. We're going to go to Wana. We're going to sell our near. We're selling all of our near. All of our Wana. We're getting 1.9 near. I'm like geeking out over all these bridges that are coming out and the way that near is being connected to, to other chains through bridges, through Aurora. It's very cool. Okay, so now we have some near. Now we're going to use the bridge. We're just going to refresh real quick. It's pretty quick. There you go. W near, max, continue. So we're going to confirm this on the Ethereum side. On the EVM side, the Aurora side, on the ledger for our Ethereum app. Okay. Now the funds are going to be on my Ethereum wallet. So if we had enough funds, we would use Metapool. So right now I have 5.89606 near. Refresh the page. I will have, I should have more. I think it should be like 7 point something. Let's see if it refreshed here. Taking a little while, eh? Didn't refresh there. Sorry, I feel like I'm on the wrong thing. No, bridge right here. Oh, is it wrapped? Is that why? I think it might have been wrapped. No, it's not wrapped. What is going on? We moved 1.92 W near. Okay, so it might be wrapped. Yeah, 1.92, it's wrapped. Sorry, it's just not showing up here for sure. There you go. There you go. 1.926, whatever that number is. So it was just wrapped. So again, this is still all part of the flow. Sorry, I have to go move over to the near application on the ledger now. And go through things there. I'm gonna go geek out over the Allbridge thing soon. I've never used Luna. I hear great things. I'm glad that Near in some ways is switched up to is close to it. Now again, so for OIN, 1.9 Near was the amount. If I try to stake it, it'll say at least 10 Near. So one day, if I earn more than 10 Near a day on this stream, I will start using Metapool for this. But because I cannot, I'm so silly. That's why I keep it wrapped. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how we go to your activity. Oh wait, here, swap. No, open our swap. Where was the? Oh, it doesn't show your wraps. Okay, this is becoming a hassle right now. We're you know what? Let's just do 2 Near. Because I was gonna go through the whole Metapool route, and I realized, looks like OBS is having some sort of issues. We're good to go. There's a lot of people using the internet right now in the house. So eventually these streams will get more streamlined and solid. We have a node running, over here and everything. So okay. So we're trying to get through a simple flow at the moment. We still have one more step to do. We need to take the W Near that we have in our Near wallet, and we need to swap it for ST Near. So we have 2 W Near in our Near wallet. That W Near came over the bridge, 1.92. I put a little more in there just to keep it simple. So it's 1.9321 Near. I'll do a better job of this tomorrow, I promise. Now that I have the ST near, okay, so I'm probably paying a little bit of a worse rate than if I just did this on, what's it called? Than if I just did this on Metapool. But, yeah. So now I'm authorizing on my ledger the swaps taking place. I'm going to have ST near. So we're not using Metapool at the moment. Okay. It would be cool if we were. And then we are going to deposit into OIN Finance. We talked a bit about OIN Finance before. Wait a second. Yeah, we don't get any more harvest rewards from this. It's very interesting though, because meta tokens are being earned by all these other platforms. Anyways, I digress. I have 1.93 ST near in there. I'm going to confirm. I'm going to say yes, please deposit. You can check the information, deposit token. Please deposit ST near. Now, I think it's pretty cool how OIN Finance allows near or ST near to act like a really cool. I'm trying to not use like it's like a pure like a single collateral DAO SI token. Basically a token where assets are backed by pretty good collateral. Right now, liquidation cost is really high, 110.5%. 2 million locked, minimum C ratio, 160%. We're currently at 219%. We just put a little more in. We put 1.9 near. It shows your liquidation price, 6.61. And so what we did was we put 1.9 ST near into the vault, okay? And that allows us to have a little more borrowing capacity. So say we put around $18 in, let's say we did 8.19, and so we are actually going to now borrow so actually it's really cool. When you look at the function, we're calling the function mint coin. So we're actually minting 8.19 of these tokens when we call this function. Okay, so we're actually creating. And so like when you ask why are we doing it this way? Because this is how you support the platform. You put ST near in, so you're creating ST near or using ST near. So using Metapool, I would like to use Metapool because you're actually creating ST near, adding more supply to the ecosystem instead of just buying it and causing the price to go up, which is it does create more in the process, but not in the same way. But you create ST near, you deposit into the vault, so you're staking, you're helping with the network security and all that kind of stuff. You're earning tokens there. As you could see, our borrowing capacity went down a little bit. Actually, yeah, I guess it went down because near went down. Okay, I borrowed, let's see, stability pool. Yeah, I borrowed 8.19 near. So as we do that, we're able to, because you deposited your ST near, they give you an amount of stable coins you're allowed to withdraw. We withdraw these stable coins because we've actually borrowed them by creating them, and then we deposit them back in the stability pool, earning rewards, which is always great. It's always great to earn some rewards, but we're also securing the system. Okay, so the main reason that it gets done is not for the rewards. It's actually like economic security reason, where there actually needs to be economic security to pay out people if there's a lot of liquidations, to incentivize the ecosystem. The APY and the extra tokens, so the reward settings, the extra tokens that you receive from rewards are just an added benefit. It's of course wonderful to get extra rewards. I feel like there was some tokens. There must be every time you deposit into the stability pool, it withdraws. Yes. See, every time you deposit into the stability pool, it withdraws your rewards. And that is true. I think we can see that when we look here. 7.36 OIN. If I refresh, I think it should be higher. I think. Yes. So it was 7.36. Now it's 10. So it's automatically withdrawing those for us. And if we go to ref, there actually is an OIN pool. Okay. So I'm not sure. There you go. So I'm not sure what OIN is being linked to, because it's not W near, it's not ST near. I guess I could check the pools and just check OIN. Okay, so I actually don't think there's any OIN pools, but there is no volume. And I guess they're making, they're trying to do stable swaps probably or something like that. I don't know. But very interesting. Seems like stuff is coming. People haven't actually, it seems like, decided that like NUSDTO. Yeah. Okay, there's 10K of volume in both the pools for USDT and DAI to NUSDO. So it seems like, I mean, I don't know what the rate is. Okay, let's see. NUS, that's not bad. Oh, you have to actually add the, okay, it's not whitelisted. See, they need to work on their stuff. We'll go through that a bit later. So yeah, the goal is to be able to farm and earn enough tokens farming that we take, it would be lovely to do 10 near a day, so that we're actually creating new Metapool tokens. Like we're actually coming to the stake area. We're actually we're taking more near out of the ecosystem and staking it. So 10 near a day, Monday to Friday would be awesome. I mean, 4 days, for all days a week would be great. We earn meta here, which is awesome because we can take our meta. Let's go through that quickly as well. I mean, only 7.9 meta won't really work that well, but we are going to claim the 7.19 or 7 meta tokens. I think we already have some meta. Yeah, 37 meta, so maybe it will be fine. We're going to go on ref. We're going to select our meta. Meta does trade to ST near because their farm also trades to ST near. So actually, we might as well just deposit them. So we're gonna deposit. So no, I wouldn't do this every day. Normally, I'm just gonna do it today to just show like what are we gonna do with the meta rewards, right? So we're earning meta as rewards from OIN, reward token, meta. We're also going to get W near, which we are also going to put into ref. We do want to continue supporting ref. We don't have much in ref like we used to, so we're just going to slowly start building up what we have in ref. So we're going to deposit the meta, then we're going to swap. This time from the ref account, we're swapping meta to ST near. Let's do 22 point. Actually, let's sell a bit more. Let's sell 23. Because we're going to earn more meta, right? We're not earning more ST near, we're earning more meta. And we always have to buy more ST near, which is super awkward, or create more ST near. Which should also help us to... yeah, I'm not sure what the most efficient flow is for that. But either way, we're adding everything to farming. We're adding everything to support the ecosystem with more liquidity as we earn it, for the most part. So, looking at the farms, I don't think we went to the farms today. Anyways, we are going to go to this liquidity pool here. Sorry. We're going to add liquidity. We are going to add all the meta. Okay. Awesome sauceum. Okay, now back to the farms. And we now get to stake more of the tokens. So, arguably, because we have Vaporwave doing our automated compounding for the majority of our tokens, don't need to touch almost anything on Aurora at the moment. It just kind of stays there long term. The reason we might not even put the Wana X in there is because we'd have to pay 1% fees each time. It would be worth it, but we'll see. I haven't decided yet. Move things back across the bridge, and then things get juicy again. With what's going on with ref finance and OIN and all this stuff. So we earn the OIN token by depositing into the stability pool. Okay. I can't remember, so I'm gonna double check. I don't think there's an OIN pool yet, so we're just holding the OIN for now, and then I guess hopefully soon there's an OIN pool that we can take our rewards and sell to. But I'm assuming very, very shortly there'll be an OIN. I mean, there probably is already an OIN. Oh, didn't I say there wasn't one? Sorry, I'm going to do one last check. I'm really surprised no one's made an OIN pool. It's very weird to me. There must be something up with why no one's taken these. Maybe they made a mistake with the token. They're refixing or something like that. But we'll see. But yeah, that's about all for today. 32 minutes, a bit long, but we did go through OIN, going across the bridge. So we earn about a little under 2 near a night from the Wana pool. See, we sold Wana a bit lower than where it was at, at least in US dollar price. But the idea is that, first of all, hopefully we'll earn more and more Wana each day because we are stacking up 10% of our rewards. So eventually we will use Metapool. And second of all, we'll be earning from OIN as well. So right now the APY is 123%. It's not bad. And currently there's, 676,000 in USDO, which is pretty great. Very excited to see this number hit 1 million. And very excited to see it continue to grow and see it's the first stablecoin backed by Near entirely for the most part. So that's really cool. But yeah, that's all for me for today. I'm gonna head out, get some lunch. But hope you all have a wonderful day, wonderful holiday seasons for everyone. And happy farming if that's your thing, or NFT buying or whatever else.